In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish app from Google AI Studio. If you've already finished building your app and you're ready to make it available online, Google AI Studio includes a simple built-in publishing option that makes the process very beginner-friendly. One helpful thing about this method is that it uses the Google Cloud Starter tier, which allows you to host up to 2 full-stack web applications without setting up a billing account or adding a credit card. That makes it a great choice if you want to publish quickly and keep things simple. Start by opening your completed application inside Google AI Studio. Before publishing, it's a good idea to quickly review your app and make sure everything is working the way you expect, since this is the version that will be made public. Once your app is open, go to the top right corner of the interface and look for the Publish or Deploy button. Click that to begin the publishing process. This opens the deployment options and lets you choose how you want your app to be hosted. From the available options, select Google Cloud Starter tier. This is the built-in hosting path designed for straightforward publishing, especially if you want to avoid extra setup steps. Next, you'll configure your subdomain. In the custom URL field, type a unique name for your project. This becomes part of your public website address, which will appear in a format like ai.studio, followed by your project path. Try to choose a name that's clear, easy to remember, and closely related to your app because it helps people recognize and access your project more easily. After that, click Publish App. Google AI Studio will then begin publishing your application using the settings you selected. Once the process finishes, your app will be live at the generated public URL. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can take your completed app from Google AI Studio and publish it online using the built-in starter tier hosting option.